Welcome back in the fourth segment of A Letter to God. Paragraph 9. One of the employees who was a postman and also helped at the post office went to his boss laughing heartily and showed him the letter to God. Never in his career as a postman had he known that address. The postmaster, a fat, amiable fellow, also broke out laughing, but almost immediately he turned serious and tapping the letter on his desk, commented, "What faith! I wish I had the faith of the man who wrote this letter, starting up a correspondence with God." Hard word, amiable, it means friendly and pleasant. Correspondence, communication by exchanging letters with someone. In this paragraph, a postman who was also an employee of the post office noticed Lancho's letter and showed it to the postmaster. They both felt amused, but the postmaster, who was fat and friendly, immediately developed a sense of seriousness. He turned serious. He was astonished, surprised at the amount of faith Lancho has in God and wished he had the same faith in God. Now, paragraph 10, that starts with, so in order not to seek the writer's faith in God, do something for an act of charity. So, in order not to seek the writer's faith in God, the postmaster came up with an idea, answer the letter. But when he opened it, it was evident that to answer it, he needed something more than goodwill, ink and paper. But he stuck to his resolution. He asked for money from his employees. He himself gave part of his salary, and several friends of his were obliged to give something for an act of charity. Hard word, goodwill, it means friendly, helpful, or cooperative feeling or attitude. Resolution, a firm decision to do or not to do something. Obliged, it means grateful. Now, explanation. With good intentions, the postmaster read the letter and thought of replying to it so as to keep the writer's belief intact. But the writer expected the reply in a different way that could not be fulfilled with pen, paper, and morals. The farmer had demanded for 100 peso, and as we know that in this world, God comes as a human, as a man, to help his devotee. So, the postmaster, along with his colleague, here the postmaster, who acts as a god for Lancho, and Lancho did not know what postmaster had done for him. The postmaster, along with his colleagues and a few friends who were more than willing to donate for a good cause, collected a pool of money to help Lencho. Here, the postmaster do not want to derail his path, to derail his faith of Lencho on God. So he wanted to donate a good cash of money to help Lencho.